I'm a micropaleontologist. I study fossil foraminifera. I study both benthic and planktonic foraminifera, but on this ship I am here to study planktonic foraminifera and to tell the age of the sediments. So here what I am seeing on the tray you can also see on the screen here. It will be like this, and we can even take a picture of the fossil foraminifera. So after we have identified all of these fossil foraminifera, we will be making a percentage of them, and also we will try to find the key fossil foraminifera from here, and then basically we track down the age of the sediment. So that's our job.